my dear friends, have you heard of the term capacitor? Well, a capacitor is an electrical component that draws energy from a battery and stores the energy inside. The terminals connect to two metal plates separated by a non-conducting substance. When activated, a capacitor quickly releases electricity in a tiny fraction of a second. How does capacitor works? Did you know? It's a little bit like a battery, except it stores energy in a different way. It can't store as much energy as a battery, although it can change and release its energy much faster. That's why it's almost used in all circuit boards. Let's see what's inside. So this is the inside of the capacitor. Interesting.
Inside an electrolytic capacitor, we have two conductive metal plates.
There are many types of capacitors.
The side of the normal capacitor, you will see a stripe and a symbol. This indicates which side is the negative.
How capacitor works and its importance.
This is an example on why capacitor is important. As you can see, this is a simple circuit, and if we turn it on and off without a capacitor, the LED only lights up in just a second. But if we insert a capacitor into the circuit, then the light will be on at least for a short duration.
If we were to connect the capacitor to a battery, the voltage would push the electrons from the negative terminal over to the capacitor. The electrons will build up on one plate of the capacitor, while the other plate, in turn, releases some electrons. Then the capacitor is the same voltage as the battery.
Because of the buildup of negatively charged electrons, they are attracted to the positively charged particles in the opposite plate. They can never reach each other because of the insulating material. The pull between them is what we call an electric field.
A capacitor with a charge put in a circuit with an LED, the electrons from the bottom plate will get attracted to the top plate. The electrons will flow through LED, powering it, and the electrons will reach the other side. This procedure will continue until all the plates will become electrically neutral, and the capacitor has now a voltage of 0.
If we connect the battery again, the capacitors charge again.
Did you know that the ability of the capacitor to store a charge is called a capacitance? And this is its formula. And generally it is denoted by a unit of farad. It has also very small units like millifarad, microfarad, and picofarad. Thank you for listening. Bye!